Did you know that up to 15% of the general population could be suffering from vitamin B12 deficiency without even realizing it? Vitamin B12 is a crucial nutrient that helps keep the body's nerve and blood cells healthy and helps make DNA, the genetic material in all cells. Despite its importance, B12 deficiency is notoriously common, particularly among vegetarians and the elderly, who may struggle to obtain enough from their diet alone. Stay tuned as we uncover the 7 alarming signs that your body is crying out for vitamin B12. Ever feel like you're running on empty even after a full night's sleep? This is one of the alarming signs that your body may be lacking vitamin B12. Chronic fatigue is often dismissed as a result of our hectic lives, but it could be your body sending out an SOS. Vitamin B12 is like the powerhouse of your body. It plays a crucial role in energy production, helping convert the food you eat into fuel for your cells. So, when your body doesn't get enough B12, it's like trying to drive a car with an empty gas tank. You may start to feel sluggish, weak, and perpetually tired, no matter how much rest you get. This persistent tiredness can sneak up on you, making it hard to pinpoint as a symptom of a deficiency. But it's important to listen to your body. If you're constantly tired, it might not just be your busy schedule. It could be a sign of something more. Struggling to remember where you placed your keys? Or what you were about to say? If this sounds familiar, you might be dealing with a foggy brain, a common sign of vitamin B12 deficiency. Vitamin B12 plays a critical role in maintaining nerve health and optimal brain function. It acts as a kind of electrician, ensuring that the wiring of our brain and nervous system remains in good working order. When there's a shortage of this vital nutrient, the communication between our brain and body can get scrambled, leading to cognitive difficulties. Memory loss, difficulty concentrating, or feeling like you're in a mental fog more often than not, these could all be signs that your B12 levels are running low. It's like trying to navigate through a dense fog with a faulty compass. You can't see clearly and everything seems confusing. So if you've been feeling more forgetful or confused lately, don't dismiss it. Forgetfulness and confusion could be your brain's way of signaling a B12 shortage. Notice any unusual changes in your mood or mental state lately? You might be surprised to learn that a deficiency in vitamin B12 could be playing a significant role in these shifts. You see, B12 is crucial for the production of certain brain chemicals that directly influence our mood. Without enough B12, these chemicals can go haywire, leading to feelings of depression, anxiety, and other significant mood changes. Research has consistently shown a strong link between low levels of B12 and mood disorders. In fact, a study published in the American Journal of Psychiatry found that people with depression and anxiety had lower levels of B12 than their healthier counterparts. So, if you've been feeling down in the dumps or unusually anxious, your body may be sending you a signal that it's craving more B12. It's crucial to listen to these signs and seek professional guidance to address any potential deficiencies. Your emotional roller coaster might have more to do with your diet than your daily drama. Looking a bit pale or yellowish but not sure why, it might be more than just a lack of sunlight. When your skin takes on a pale or slightly yellow tint, it could be signaling a deficiency in vitamin B12. But why does this happen? Let's dive into the science behind it. Vitamin B12 plays a crucial role in the production of red blood cells. These cells are responsible for carrying oxygen throughout your body, giving your skin that healthy, rosy glow. However, with insufficient B12, the production of these cells drops significantly. This condition, known as anemia, leads to a paleness that washes over your skin. In more severe cases, when the liver struggles to process toxins due to a lack of healthy red blood cells, you might notice a yellowish tint to your skin, known as jaundice. Understanding these signs can be crucial. A ghostly pallor or a yellow tint could be a silent shout for B12. Ever feel dizzy when you stand up too quickly? It's not just you. This sensation, often brushed off as a minor nuisance, might be signaling something important about your health. Dizziness can be a subtle clue that your body is running low on vitamin B12, a crucial nutrient that supports nerve function and the production of DNA and red blood cells. When B12 levels dip too low, it can lead to various neurological issues, one of which includes feeling off balance or dizzy. This isn't just about a brief spinning sensation, it's about your body signaling a need for help. B12 deficiency affects the body's ability to properly regulate blood pressure. When you move from sitting to standing, a well-functioning body adjusts blood pressure accordingly. But with insufficient B12, this adjustment doesn't happen as smoothly, leading to dizziness or lightheadedness. So next time that dizzy spell hits as you jump up, consider it a sign. That unsettling feeling might be more than just a quick change in position. Having trouble with blurry or double vision? This could be more than just a need for a new glasses prescription. It might be a sign that your body is crying out for vitamin B12. When vitamin B12 levels fall below the necessary threshold, it can lead to nerve damage, and one of the critical nerves affected is the optic nerve. This nerve plays a pivotal role in your ability to see clearly. Without enough vitamin B12, the protective sheath around your nerves, including the optic nerve, starts to deteriorate. This deterioration can result in vision problems such as blurriness, double vision, or even vision loss in severe cases. The stakes are high, as these symptoms can progress and potentially become irreversible if the deficiency isn't addressed. It's not just about seeing poorly today, it's about preserving your vision for the future. So if you're experiencing these kinds of vision issues, consider them as red flags. Don't overlook these vision issues. They could be a clear sign of a nutrient deficiency. Is your tongue feeling swollen, or have you noticed any unusual mouth ulcers? If so, these could be telltale signs that your body is crying out for vitamin B12. One common symptom to be aware of is glossitis, a condition where your tongue becomes swollen, inflamed, and changes color. It might feel unusually smooth, as the small bumps on your tongue that typically house your taste buds stretch out and disappear. Mouth ulcers also frequently accompany this condition. These aren't your typical occasional canker sores. They're more persistent and can be quite painful. Vitamin B12 plays a crucial role in the production of DNA and maintaining healthy nerve cells. A deficiency can severely impact the health of your mouth's mucous membranes, leading to these painful symptoms. Moreover, a lack of B12 can cause the lining of your mouth and your tongue to undergo significant changes, which not only feel uncomfortable, but can also interfere with your ability to taste and chew food. These uncomfortable changes in your mouth could be telling you to check your B12 levels. Now that we've explored these 7 alarming signs, let's do a quick recap. Firstly, feeling tired all the time, more than just your usual end-of-day exhaustion, could be a cry for help from your body for more vitamin B12. Then there's the foggy brain, where keeping your thoughts clear becomes a battle, making everyday tasks more challenging. Mood swings are another red flag. If your emotions are on a more pronounced roller coaster lately, it might be due to a lack of this essential vitamin. And let's not overlook pale or jaundiced skin, which isn't just about losing that healthy glow. It could indicate deeper health issues. Feeling dizzy can be more than just an occasional imbalance. It could be your body signaling the urgent need for vitamin B12. Vision issues, too, should never be ignored, as they can stem from this deficiency, potentially leading to long-term impairment. Lastly, changes in the tongue and mouth, like soreness, redness, or swelling, can be subtle but significant indicators of a deficiency. Understanding these signs is crucial because vitamin B12 plays a vital role in many of your body's essential functions, including nerve function and the production of DNA and red blood cells. Recognizing these symptoms early and consulting with a healthcare provider for proper testing and treatment is not just recommended, it's vital. Remember, only a healthcare provider can diagnose and treat vitamin B12 deficiency. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, don't hesitate to reach out for professional advice.